Quik Therm subgrade insulation is composed of a lightweight EPS core containing up to 15% recycled content. The core is covered on both sides with advanced metallic polymer facers, providing superior durability and resiliency, resulting in a system that is fast to install and will not easily chip, crack, or break. SGI has been independently tested and modeled by certified laboratories and has been proven to meet the thermal, vapor, and radon barrier requirements for below-grade applications experienced in our harsh Canadian climate. This makes it the ideal choice for insulating below-grade applications such as exterior concrete walls and frost wall foundations, as well as beneath concrete slabs, floors, and radiant floor systems. To accommodate a variety of applications and code requirements, SGI is available in either 11/16" rolls or 4x8 sheets in a variety of thicknesses ranging from 1 to 6 inches. Quik Therm SGI can be provided with a Type 1, Type 2, or Type 3 EPS core, making it the ideal solution for most subgrade applications requiring compressive strengths up to 4,000 pounds per square foot. Unlike some other insulations, SGI has excellent long-term thermal performance, exhibiting no appreciable loss in thermal performance over time after it is installed. SGI is freeze-thaw and moisture resistant, retaining its thermal characteristics and mechanical properties after being subjected to freeze-thaw cycling. In below-grade applications, insulation is typically exposed to moisture, which, if absorbed over time, can significantly reduce thermal performance. Most conventional insulations need to be covered with a layer of poly to prevent moisture ingress, as well as to control radon. Quik Therm SGI's polymer facers are impermeable to moisture and radon, resulting in a system that will continue to perform at close to its rated thermal resistance over the long term and can become an integral part of a building's radon control strategy. No additional poly covering required. The Quik Therm SGI system is fast, easy to install, and requires minimal taping to achieve the rated thermal performance. SGI joints should be tight together, and perimeter edges should be dry and clean prior to taping. In addition to an effective insulation, Quik Therm SGI qualifies as a code-compliant air, vapor, and radon barrier when properly installed. It is important that all joints and connections are properly taped using a code-compliant tape. SGI can be connected to 6mm poly to complete the barrier. Alternatively, poly can be installed over the SGI as per local codes. For more information on Quik Therm SGI, please refer to the technical brochure found at quiktherm.com.